Look at the Dataset tab if you'd like to see the raw data behind the other reports. You will see the same report filters on the left-hand side and action buttons at the bottom. This table then shows the relevant species trade by year, by country. You can scroll through the species and the years using these bars at the side. Along the top you'll see a bar chart that illustrates the trade by code. The size of the sections reflects the trade by that code. You can toggle this chart between weight and value traded. If you hover over a selection, a text box appears with the details. If you then click on a section, the table below filters to show the relevant data. To remove this filter, simply click back on the bar chart.